We offer an engaging, hands-on introduction to mobile app development with our Mobile Apps for Young Learners course, designed for elementary and junior high students who are curious about creating apps for smartphones and tablets. This course stands somewhat apart from our other coding and design programs. It uses MIT App Inventor as the primary tool, a powerful, beginner-friendly platform that relies entirely on block-based programming. At higher levels, students can optionally explore Thunkable, another block-based builder that lets them publish real, downloadable apps to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. No text-based languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, or Java are required. Everything remains visual and intuitive. Learners benefit from a balanced mix of coding logic and design thinking. They build user interfaces, add buttons, screens, sensors, databases, and multimedia elements, then test their apps directly on phones or emulators. The result is functional mobile apps that feel personal and exciting, whether it's a simple quiz game, a habit tracker, a photo editor, or a custom tool for school projects. Thunkable, in particular, stands out because it produces genuine, real-world applications. While often more lightweight than heavy native apps, students can create and share apps like productivity tools, educational games, event planners, or small business utilities. Published apps that friends, family, or others can download and use. Mobile app development remains a highly relevant and rewarding field. Apps power everyday life on iOS and Android. Consumer favorites like social media tools, fitness trackers, note-taking apps, and games. Enterprise solutions such as inventory managers, customer portals, field service tools, and internal business dashboards. Pursuing this technology opens doors to consumer-facing innovation and professional-grade systems alike. In our broader STEM offerings, this course serves as a foundational, low-barrier entry into mobile technologies. It sparks curiosity and builds confidence, paving the way for more advanced paths, such as native iOS development with Swift, Android with Kotlin, cross-platform frameworks like Flutter or React Native, or even full-stack mobile backends. For families or young learners intrigued by the world of mobile apps and eager to create something they can hold in their hands, our Mobile Apps for Young Learners course provides a fun, practical starting point that combines creativity, coding, and real-world relevance.